Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. If you order a foot locker and a Lidmate at the same time, we will install the Lidmate in the foot locker here at our factory. However, if you already own a foot locker and you're purchasing a Lidmate, I'm going to show you right here how you can install a Lidmate at home. We start by just simply dry fitting the Lidmate into the trunk. You want to make sure that that C&N Foot Locker's logo is in the bottom right corner. Once you have it positioned correctly, we're just going to drop it back out of the foot locker, set it down on a table in front of the trunk. There's two strips of pretty heavy duty hook and loop or Velcro, and then there's an adhesive backing on that. So we're going to peel away the paper backing to expose that adhesive. And with that paper backing removed, we're ready to install it into the trunk. So set the Lidmate into the bottom of the lid of the trunk. You'll see that there's a little bit of play from left to right. You want to center it from left to right. And then just gently lift the Lidmate up. Apply a little bit of pressure. Apply a little bit more pressure. Make sure that you really get that adhesive secure. And now your Lidmate's in place. It did come with a flashlight carabiner. Move that out of the way. And then the flashlight carabiner installs into this loop up in the top. Just like that. And you're done.